Hello everyone and welcome to Danomics. In this video, I want to demonstrate the new Quick Start module and how that can help you get your petrophysical interpretation started more efficiently. So what I've done so far is I have created a new CPI. I have selected my well headers, logs, and tops databases, and I've assigned a key well. And I have also gone through and I've defined my stratigraphy. So I'm starting this off like I would any other interpretation. However, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go here to my Quick Start module. And what this module does is it presents us with a number of options here. We have the lithology presets, salinity, and cutoffs presets, and we also have well defaults and salt zones here. So what these do are these parameters allow us to set multiple parameters in one click. So for example here, when I come to the lithology presets, we know that in the Powder River Basin that most of the stratigraphy is alternating sands and gray shells. So I'm going to choose a sandstone lithology. And then for the Niobrara, I'm going to choose organic shell. I'll choose the same for the frontier here because in this particular area it does have a number of organic shells, and I'll do the same for the Maori Formation. So once I've set those three, it has reassigned a number of parameters based on standard lithological constraints. So for example, the matrix density is now set to 2.65, which is appropriate for a sandstone, whereas in the organic shells, it's using a matrix density of around 2.68. If we had limestones, it would set it to 2.71 in that case. Now, associated with the lithologies, we also have default cutoffs here. So I'm going to select sandstone analysis for these, and then I'm going to, for my organic shells, I'm going to set a different set of cutoffs for these. And you can see that as I'm doing that, it's updating my water saturations, my net pays, and a number of other options here. I'm going to select my salinity. So most of the area out here is between about 75,000 and 100,000 parts per million. So I'm going to select that for my water saturation. And you'll notice that when I did that, it is now updated my water saturation calculation. And the last parameter I'm going to set here are my well defaults. And I'm going to set these to tight reservoir. If I was working with very high porosity zones, I'd use the conventional reservoir. And what this does, this sets a number of parameters across our well related to things like our flagging bad hole. It also helps adjust cutoffs based on data presence or absence, but in general, it sets a number of parameters at the well level to what we would consider to be in line with Danomics best practices. And you'll notice now that as I have done this, we are now flagging pay here in the Parkman Formation. We're also flagging it down here in the Niobrara, the Carlisle, and in the Maori formations. So this is consistent with our understanding of the area, and this will definitely help you get off to a better start in your interpretation. Whether you are a specialist with years of experience in petrophysics or a non-specialist, such as a geologist or a reservoir engineer, coming here and starting your analysis this way will save you a number of button clicks no matter what. And if you're in a rush, this will allow you to essentially get much closer to that 80 or 90% solution right off the bat. All right, if you have any questions, please contact us at support@danomics.com. Thank you.